Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And so right here I have spatial audio. You may have it at the bottom, it depends on the phone, and not all Android phones have this feature at the settings, so maybe you haven't it. And also you cannot find this feature on your Apple device. Now to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And if you want to disable spatial audio, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.